Well, hey there, my friends. Laura here, Ink and Whimsy. Thanks for sticking through all of this with me, this adventure of me trying to learn all this paper piecing and how to create some 12 by 12 layouts. This is my first double page spread, and we are going to be assembling the second page that goes along with this as we continue. So if you're interested in seeing how it all comes together and hearing the story about Izzy, then stick around. All right, my friends, we are going to move this aside. This is my beautiful little niece, Izzy. She is about to turn 4 years old, and she went with my mom, who was her great-grandma, and her grandma, Sue, and they went to this small little farm owned by this family that has lambs and other animals, but it was the lambs that had Izzy's heart. She was just giggling and laughing, having such a good time. I'm going to put this right here just so I can judge where I'm laying down the other pieces of paper. And I think I'm going to put this piece of paper down first. See, I can't even speak today. I'm not quite sure what my issue is. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so we're going to lay this down. And I promise you, I am going to have it a little bit better together on putting all this together. That was a mouthful. All right, I wanted to do things a little differently. I wanted this up here. So I'm not sure how it's going to look when it's all done and they're side by side, but we are going to see towards the end of this. And you can either be happy with me or we can both be upset thinking I did not make a good decision at all. All right, one of the mistakes I made when I was doing the other side is I put too much tape runner down instead of just doing the ends like this, because I need to be able to move underneath. Okay, let's see. Gosh, this is whatever. All right, I like the way that looks right there. Okay, all right, that's down. Now I have this strip because I want to, no, it's not this strip, it's this one right here. It's mimicking the other side, so I want to put this down, and there's nothing that needs to be dry fitted with this because I'm not moving anything, so I think I'll be good. All right, I want to put this right up top here, and this is one of the zip strips. All right, there we go. Now, I think it looks cute already. Now, let's get the two photos just to set those down so I can have their placement. And then the first one, we have Izzy, and she is being chased by the lamb, and then she pets the lamb. And then in the next photo, Izzy is snuggling with the lamb, and then this is her with her grandma Sue. Now I'm wondering, do I want to put it under there or not at all? What do you think? I mean, I don't need this right here. So I think that, yes, I will. We're just going to set that there right now. Okay. So just like I did before, I want to have some of the torn purple. I could do this right here and then do that. How would that look? Because then I'd have that right there. And then I could do this right here. I could do that right there. I don't like that little bit of brown showing. I'd rather have it like right there. I may do that. Okay, so how am I going to do this? I think I should glue that on top. What do you think? Doing that first. Okay, because I really don't like it. I'm going to put it about where I want it to be. Right there. Okay. And then I'm going to tape the back of it. You're probably going, Laura, are you sure you have dry fitted? All right. I want that right there. All right. I'm going to stick this one down. And the question is, where should I put this one? Right here? Right here? That's where it's going to go. I'm going to stick this one. Wait a minute. Oh, it should be the other way, shouldn't it? Because Close to My Heart has two different sides, the light side and the dark side. All right, I saved myself from that, didn't I? Okay, now we're going to put this down. I can see why people do voiceovers, because you know what? They probably cut out 90% of the video and all their mess ups. Okay, all right, here we go. Now, I want to, put down that same little strip on the bottom. So we're going to do that, and I am going to use this. Let's see. But hold on, Texas. Before I mess this up again, this is that other sticker. I want to see. I know what I forgot. Oh my gosh, we have to go through this again. This is going to be so painful. All right, let's just get this over with. All right. So I am going to put this on this side. And if any of you, that's my question I'd like you to answer in the comments. What is the least painful way to slip something like this on under the other piece? Or do you just, like, look, I'm still going at it from the wrong angle. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, well dang. That's not too bad. And you notice it really doesn't match. But like, if you're my friend, don't look at it that close. I don't think this is even. I don't think it's even. Oh, good. And that should come down. Oh, what the heck. This is like, I don't like it. 4.5. I know. Okay. All right, y'all. What is rule number 1356.3/4? It is, you have to measure and match the lines on your Versamat. It is the one reason we have the Versamat. And I didn't do it. I'm just such a goob. Oh my word. Okay, so I literally unstuck it and restuck it. It's not perfect. This is everything you should not do video. I'm going to retitle the video. Everything you should not do in scrapbooking. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. If I can live through this video, and you know what? It would help if I actually had that straight. Okay, here we go. Let's lay it down. If I can live through this video, okay, and I can go on to make another video, then we know I have survived. If I never make another video, you're going to know why. Okay. Now, it's still not 100% perfect, is it? But that's okay. That's okay. It's still supposed to be fun. I'm thinking I like this right here. Let's put that there. Let's see. All right. I have to attach my journaling. And I kind of like this. And I kind of like this. Not sure where or how. Maybe like right there. And let's see. I don't know where the heck my trio is. What, 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3? It's supposed to be going 1, 2, 3 maybe. All right. Let's see. I kind of want this over here. Right there. Move this over a little bit. And then, well, we need our owl. We're going to put the owl right here. Okay? I am just sticking him down. All right, owl's right there. And then I want to put some of these on. All right, and then we need some of our circles, don't we? And then we need all that pretty stuff. Okay, so let's just like calm down, Lori. You get yourself too excited. Something like this. Want him around that a little bit. Let me put this right there. Put this here. And do I want another butterfly? I don't know that I want another butterfly. Could put this down over here. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. But what I do know is that I need to put some circles down, don't I? So where do we want to do the circles? So let's get, and I need to do this little splatter. So first let's do the circles. And I need, let's see. All right, so we're going to put this under here. Okay. I want wisteria. I move this right here. I'm going to do the circle. I am going to move these things delicately right up there. I need a scrap piece of paper. Okay, we're going to put this right here. Okay. Put it right there. Okay. And then I want my flamingo. I'm going to put this right here. If y'all could see my room right now, it is like a cyclone hit it. Actually, I want that right there. Okay, that moves just a little bit when you press it down. So one must be gentle. All right. And then I want another circle over here. Okay, so let's do this. Move this stuff out of the way. Right. I want to smush right here. Okay. Right here. I don't know how Aaron does this so easily. Oh my gosh. Killing me. Okay. And where else? We're going to put this right here. A little bit of that showing. Y'all are probably as surprised as me when we see how this actually all comes together, right? I need a glass of wine. A little too early in the day, but I will definitely have one later. Okay. And you know what? I want to add a little bit right here. And yes, I realize there's actually none of that foamy stuff underneath here. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, you could just go crazy with this stuff. It is just so pretty. All right, what was supposed to go over here? Oh, here we go. All right. Oh, let's see. Am I living through this or what? Okay, let's do this. Let's see how these go right here. Because I need him kind of peeking out from behind in a way. I don't know. Kind of like that. I like that. So we're going to do that. I'll put this right here. Let's stick this down right there. And you notice, do you notice what I'm doing? I am not putting a whole bunch of tape. This way, when we do another Laura, I can literally change it like I'm having to do right now, because I basically put them as if they're in a straight line, which looked pretty ridiculous. Okay, let's see. How about, oh, I like that. All right, where are all my little flowers? Oh, that needs to go right there. I like that right there. Okay. Gonna put that right there. And then, do I want a big flower? No. Oh, that looks good. All right, we're going to stick this down. What else? No doubt I have forgotten something. Well, we have this because I need my, we could put that right there. What do you think? I think that looks good. Let's stick that down. And lay this down right here. Okay. Do I need to put a butterfly over there? Oh, that actually looks kind of cute. I'm going to put that right there. Okay, I'm going for it. So I have either talked you into making a double page layout or never doing one your entire life. All right, now where is my pen? Because we got to do just a little bit of him right here. Okay, we are going to add them. Oh no. There. Oh, they look much better, don't they? I do have them going the right way, don't I? Oh my gosh. Oh, this guy right here. It does look better with them, doesn't it? See that one? I went right on the paper. Alrighty, so I finished up the antennas on the butterflies. I turned off the filming and I added this cluster here at the top. And I wanted to give you a clearer shot of this torn paper that I added along the bottom because I had kind of cut it out of frame, so I apologize for that. And now I want to show you the two pages side by side. I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. I like the color combo. I like how it brings out the 4 photos. I obviously still have a lot to learn with all this, so I appreciate you all hanging with me. I think you're flipping awesome. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more double page layouts, let me know in the comments below. So until we meet again, God bless, have an incredible day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.